like it. So let's test it out. Let's drive down the road a little bit and see how it looks while we're riding. So here's what I didn't expect. I didn't expect to like this so much, and I know that sounds strange, but being up here in the rearview mirror, I was just not really sure. But it opens up the whole dash. That cord wouldn't normally be there. I'm just testing it out, you know, but I like it. I really like it being up here. It's solid. The mirror's not moving around like I kind of thought it may be. It gives you a great view behind you. It's nice and wide. If you can swipe through the views. You can see in front of you and behind you. I will say that the aspect ratio with the shorter, taller screen, you can see more. You know, you can see much more that way. If I just click here, you'll notice that you can't see as far behind you. Not a huge deal. I can just adjust the camera up if that really bothers me. I really just want to see what's right behind me. That's when you can't see cars when you're towing. That's the big deal there. I was on some rough roads. The mirror hasn't moved at all. You know, that screen has got a good amount of weight to it, but it hasn't affected the mirror at all, so that's great. Camera's, of course, nice and clear like all Haloviews are. I really like this. This is great. It's going to be very, very useful. Opens up the dash. Just gets rid of a lot of clutter. Again, if you wanted to get the TPMS sensors on here, you can do that. That's just a different camera, but I'll leave a link to that camera, this camera, and Haloview's website down below. Again, another great product from Haloview. I've been so happy with everything they've sent us. We've used them for years.